how to create copy trading account in XM Trading. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply log into your XM Trading account, and after that on the left hand side panel you would be able to find this option of copy trading. Simply select it, and over here you would be able to find this option of investor account at the top. Simply select it, and this can only be created if your account is verified. So simply verify your account. To verify your account, first it would ask you for mobile number, and after that it would ask for your name and last name and date of birth. And for verification, it will also ask for the government documents, and you should be ready with it. And after that it might also ask for a selfie. And right after verification, you would be able to create the copy trading account quite easily and fund it using crypto. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.